Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You'll need 1 tablespoon of coffee for every 4 ounces of water. If you have a 16 ounces press pot, you'll want to use 4 tablespoons of coffee. Feel free to adjust this amount based on your own personal tastes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Should I stir? You need to stir your French press after the water goes in to ensure that all the grounds are completely soaked. If you don't stir, you could get clumps of dry grounds that don't get the full extraction and leave you with weak coffee. 17 September 2020.
Take our lead.
It's generally agreed that a French press is best used with coarsely ground coffee and water just under boiling temperature. Allow 3 to 5 minutes of immersion time, and you have a decent cup of coffee. 26 November 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Press like the best. Add a heaping tablespoon, 7 to 8 grams, of coffee to the pot per 200 milliliters, 6.7 ounces of water. Pour hot water, not quite boiling, into the pot, and gently stir. Carefully reinsert the plunger into the pot, stopping just above the water and ground coffee. Do not plunge yet, and let stand for 3 to 4 minutes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
French press coffee calls for a coarse, even grind. We recommend starting with a 1:12 coffee to water ratio. If you're using 350 grams of water, you'll want 30 grams of coffee. To start, gently pour twice the amount of water than you have coffee onto your grounds.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.